Good morning to all my dear students. I hope all of you have completed the work that I have given in the second chapter. Now today we are going to start third chapter, that is movements of the earth. In this chapter we are going to study about rotation of the earth, day and night, revolution of the earth and the seasons. Now children, let us start the chapter. The earth moves in two different ways, and which are that two different ways? Rotation and revolution. Now before moving to the next, let us see what is rotation and revolution, because these two must be cleared. What is rotation? The spinning motion of the earth is called rotation. When the earth takes a movement around itself, it is known as rotation. And what is revolution? The earth moves around the sun in a fixed orbit. This is the figure of earth, and when the earth moves around the sun in a fixed orbit, it is known as revolution. So let us see next one. So it rotates like a top and also revolves or moves around the sun in a fixed path. It does not seem to us that it is moving. Why it does not seem to us that it is moving? Because everything on the earth, including the air around it, moves with it. That means what? Everything on the earth, in that air is also included, it is moving, and that's why it does not seem to us it is moving. Now second topic is rotation of the earth. I have told you what is rotation. What is rotation? The spinning motion of the earth is called rotation. Now take a globe and spin. This is the picture of globe, and when you will spin the globe, it spins around a line passing through its center. When you will spin the globe, you will see that it spins around a line and it is passing through its center, and this imaginary line around which it spins is called its axis. This is the axis of rotation, and this is your imaginary line around which it spins, and it is called its axis. Now let us see what is rotation. So the earth also spins around its axis. So children, this is the figure of earth. It is rotating around its axis, and the earth also spins about its axis in the same way, and this spinning motion of the earth is called rotation. When the earth takes a complete spinning motion, and this spinning motion is called rotation. That means when it takes around itself, it is known as rotation. So these are the three figures that have been given here. First is given a top spinning around its axis, second is globe rotating around its axis, and the third is the earth rotates around its axis. Now let us move to the next. Now what is your next topic? Next topic is given day and night. So children, before starting this topic, some kind of questions always arise in your mind, that how does the day happens and how does the night happens, and why there is so much of darkness at night. So that point it is going to clear here. So how does the day and night happens? The rotation of the earth around its axis, it causes day and night. How does the day and night happens? Rotation of the earth around its axis, it causes day and night. So that we can prove with the help of this a small example that is given here, and you have to do this practical at your home. So shine a torch at a globe in a dark room. You will see that only half the globe is lit. The other half will be dark. Now rotate the globe. The dark areas now become lighted, and the lighted areas go into darkness. So children, just think that this torch is your sun and this globe is your earth, and he is saying that shine a torch at a globe in a dark room, and what you will see, that only half the globe is lighted. You can see, okay, this portion it is lighted, and the opposite portion it is darker. Okay, so darker, when you can see this is lighted area, and where there is no light is unable to reach, that is in darker area. Okay, so other half it will be dark. Now what they are saying, now rotate the globe, and now when you will rotate the globe, what will happen? The darker area, this portion, it will become lighted, and the lighted areas it will go into darkness. Okay, so in this way they are telling you about the day and night situation. So when earth and sun, this kind of situation is formed there. Now you have to try this activity at your home, And what they are saying, that globe is like the earth. That means globe is like the earth, and the torch is like the sun shining on the earth. That means torch is like the sun and it is shining on the earth. So the portion of the earth facing the sun. So the portion of the earth that is in front of the sun, that has day, and the portion facing away from the sun has night. That means this portion that is facing away from the sun has night. So as the earth rotates, day and night follow each other. In this way, as the earth rotates, day and night they follow each other. So the earth completes one rotation around its axis in 24 hours. How many hours? 24 hours. And that is why one day and one night are of 24 hours. That means it takes one day and one night are of 24 hours. So children, this much is enough for today. All of you read the chapter at home. Thank you.